Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a complete home Grants.Gov tutorial for beginners. So if you want to search for government grant opportunities and submit applications online, so this video will walk you through the basics from start to finish. So the first thing that you need to do here is open up your web browser and visit homegrants.gov. So first thing that you're going to do here is open up your web browser and visit homegovgrants.gov website. So on the home page, you can use the search bar to find grant opportunities by keyword, agencies, or category, making it easy to find programs that fit your need. And if you plan to apply, click the sign in option and create an account by entering the required information. And after verifying your account, you'll be able to save opportunities, access application forms, and track your submissions. Next, choose a grant opportunity and review the eligibility requirements, instructions, and deadlines. Complete the required forms, attach any necessary documents, and double check everything before submitting. So once you are ready, upload your files and submit your application through the homegrants.gov portal. And you can always return to your account to check the status of your submission and stay updated. That is a complete overview of homegrants.gov and how to navigate the application process. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.